Hello, my name's Ken Tyler and I'm the owner at Hometown Heating and Air. And I have a message for all our family and friends out there that have a furnace that you know is on its last leg. This isn't a scare tactic. This isn't a business promotion to sell more furnaces this winter. This is more like a public service announcement to try to help our friends and family as best we can through those cold winter months. As many of you have experienced in a lot of home goods services and products through the pandemic, supply chain disruptions have made doing business very difficult. Even more important, it's made it more challenging for us to get products to our customers as quickly as we would like. Our supply chain lead times are typically up around 4 to 6 weeks right now. Now, we've done our best to get ahead of this and stock our warehouse higher to the ceiling than we ever have. But even with our best efforts, it doesn't always guarantee we're going to have the furnace that you want when you need it. So I guess my message to all of our friends and family out there are more of a plea. And again, this isn't a sales tactic. We want to do our best to serve you. So if you do have a furnace that you know is failing, please give us a call today. Let us help you before those winter months are upon us and we really end up in a difficult position to get you help and heat as quickly as we can.